Hi everyone, this is Laurie with Journey with the Gingers, and this is a tour of an ocean suite on the Carnival Sunshine. My name is Laurie, and this is my daughter Hannah. We are the mother-daughter duo that make up Journey with the Gingers. But for this video, it would just be myself and my wonderful husband William. We are on the Carnival Sunshine. We're celebrating our 28th wedding anniversary, and in this video, we will be taking you on a room tour of an ocean suite on the Carnival Sunshine. This is a tour of the Ocean Suite Stateroom number 7171 on the Carnival Sunshine. I am Laurie from Journey with the Gingers. I'm usually with my daughter Hannah, but on this trip I am with my husband William for our 28th wedding anniversary. Today I'm going to give you a full tour of what an ocean suite looks like on the Carnival Sunshine. Before we get started, please make sure you're subscribed to our channel. We'd love to have you as part of our community. If you don't mind, hit that thumbs up because it definitely helps our channel. First, we're going to start at the entryway to our cabin. So let's get started. So when you first walk in, you have this little sitting area. Excuse our luggage, we just got here. In the seating area, you have a full, large couch. And then you also have a chair. And you have a nice end table over here with a lamp. The bottom of the sofa actually has two large drawers. So I'm sure if someone wanted to lay down and take a nap on the sofa, you could, but I don't think this one folds out to a bed. And in the drawer, you have some additional bedding. And in front of the couch, you have a coffee table. Looks like this is going to be a great place for morning coffee. And I will say, the couch is super comfortable, so I can definitely see, most likely, William taking a nap on this sofa in the afternoon because it's super comfortable and it's long. It's a big couch. Across from the sofa is this large king-size bed. It can also be made into two twin beds, and you can kind of tell down here. You can see the bases of the two twin beds. Beside the bed, you have end tables for each side, which is very nice because sometimes in a regular balcony, you only have one end table that you have to share. The end table has a nice lamp. This one doesn't have USB, but we'll be okay. You also each have a reading lamp on the headboard of the bed. And this is the other end table. And I'll show you on these end tables, you also have a small drawer, and then you have a little cabinet down here. Let's see if I can get it. And those of you that have traveled on Carnival, you know that their beds are so comfortable. I probably sleep better on a Carnival bed than I do my own bed at home. And also, C-day naps are a real thing, people. If you haven't experienced a good C-day nap, you should. It's time to relax. Coming back to the entryway, there's also some large cabinets here. This cabinet actually opens up like this. And this cabinet opens like this. And this is a large cabinet, first of all, but this is also where you'll find your safe. And you create your own 4-digit code to lock and unlock your safe. And in this cabinet, you have a refrigerator. It's kind of like a dorm-sized refrigerator. And we'll put our wine here and our bottled water. When I had the balcony cabinet in February, we just had water glasses, but our steward has left us in the suite some wine glasses, which is really nice because we like our wine. And we do bring the allowed 2 bottles of wine with us on our cruises. The room also has a very large television with remote, and it can be tilted so that you can face it towards the couch or face it towards the bed. Beside our bed, we have a closet, and in the closet we have our 2 bathrobes. And I love in the morning getting up, putting on bathrobes, sitting on the balcony, drinking my coffee. I feel like I'm bougie or something. And beside that closet, there's this nice chest of drawers here, so you can put away all of your clothes. You also have all the QR information. So instead of having the different menus and such in here, you have QR codes for everything. And some letters and some information and our free bottles of water that we each get a bottle for being gold level. Also by the dressing area is a 120 and a 230 outlet. So there's only one outlet in the actual bedroom area, but I'll show you in the vanity area where there's more outlets. From the bedroom, living room area, you walk into this nice dressing area. All these lights, and then a nice stool. So in the vanity area, as I talked about earlier, there's two more outlets in here. So it looks like we'll be charging our electronics probably over here. But you have this nice marble countertop. And then there's plenty of drawer space also in the vanity area. You have that drawer, and you have all those drawers as well. And in the dressing area, you have another closet area with more hangers. And this is the other side, the same closet, and you have more shelves, more storage, and more hangers. This makes me very happy that I brought my own blow dryer, because this is the blow dryer. For this cabin, I think I would always bring my own blow dryer, because I just turn that on and it's quite weak. But so if you're getting a suite, bring your own blow dryer if you can. When we were in the balcony a few months ago on the Sunshine, the blow dryer wasn't so bad. So the vanity area is here with one sink, and there is some shelves down here, and there's also some shelves right here. Hello. Of course you have toilet, that's necessary. The toilet paper holder is a little bit fancier, but this really truly sold me on a suite. You ready? Oh, a tub. If y'all know me, I love a tub. Of course it does have a shower too, and for those that like showers, there's a shower curtain. And in the suites you have Elemis products for your shampoo and bath and shower gel. You also have something like a clothesline up here, and that's to hang, you know, wet bathing suits and so on.
Now I'm going to show you my favorite part of the stateroom, the balcony. This is an awesome balcony. Let's go look at it. Go inside the balcony, and we'll see the other side. Now we're on the other side of the balcony for the stateroom.
It's pretty big. And we hope you enjoyed this tour of our ocean suite on the Carnival Sunshine. This is room 7171, and we highly recommend you try it out. And we thank you so much for watching, and once again, if you've not subscribed, please do so. And don't forget to journey on. Bye, y'all.
Bye.